Alrighty, guys, we are talking about measuring length using concrete models. Okay, so if you look down here, you can see all these different vocabulary words. We got some paper clips, square tiles. All of those are things that we can use to measure with concrete items. Those are concrete items that we can use. And then we have other words like approximately or close to, about. Those are because we're not using actual units of measurement. We are using concrete models. Okay, so it has to be labeled, and we have to be freely using these terms so that we're trying to be as specific as possible. Okay, so if we look at this pencil, can we use objects? Okay, we are all familiar with these square tiles. Notice a couple of things. We are going end to end to end. We are starting at the beginning of the pencil. We are ending at the end of the pencil, and we are labeling our total. So we can't just say it's 7. 7 what? It is 7 square tiles long. All right, now we can try measuring it with something different. We can use coins. Oh, wow, we've got lots of different coins here. So if I look at all of this, it says the length of the pencil is 8 coins. Well, that's true. And it starts at the beginning of the pencil, stops at the end of the pencil, except all of these are different objects. We can't do that. That would not be an accurate measurement because we wouldn't be able to label it. Okay, they have to be the exact same size, which means for coins, they have to be the same coin. So we're going to use dimes, and we see that we have 9 dimes. This pencil is 9 dimes long. Okay, again, it's labeled, very important. So same size objects, line them up, no gaps, end to end to end to end, and make sure you're starting and ending at the ends of the pencil or whatever it is that you're measuring. So if we use a different quarter or a different coin, like maybe a quarter. Last time we got 9 because it was dimes, but now if we're using a quarter, it's much larger, okay? And notice it is about 6 quarters because it goes a little bit beyond the end of our pencil here. So there's an example of an importance in using those words so we can be very clear when listing our measurements, all right? So we have things like square tiles, 8 coins, dimes, quarters, okay? These were all the measurements of this one pencil. How can it always be different? Okay, that is because each of them is a totally different size. So right there is something that makes measuring with concrete objects really both tricky and inconsistent. So that's why it's very, very important that you are labeling and being as specific as possible with what you're using and continuing to use the same sized object. So good luck on your station. Make sure that when you drag your items from the side, you are working very, very hard to line them up end to end and using those terms like approximately, about, close to. Good luck, guys.